ase yawdie wo mu ede na obi di aye wa obeka se ade we die obi di aye me di obi ade be chere but ebe ye din se we die e de be chere
oh nanka me so me no hwan Romans 8 chapter 3 verse 23
okay
also for all have sinned and have fallen short of the glory of the Lord
okay
Ewurade adom bi ena yesu yasebi
okay
enti se Yesu Kristo ba be wuye ehu amane na e de pepa me ne omienu ye bone gye yen a adenti me so me ne wan say obi ye me bone a me mfa nche no chade me dia che but me dia ya disuade
but won fan she wo
me fan she me mo but ama ma hwe me hu ye woni pa ho ama suade what I say ama me experience bia me hu say no ewi ase na hwe yie ehu hia pa na boa me so pa like industry a me wo me
okay
sani amafo bebre ba yo munya producers me menya bi da
okay
and nyankopo meka say Yesu na ye me producer up till now but you do baby okukuhia nyeme bi obi betumi am me ntumi nye you baby obi people will come like their mouth is so honey oh me boa person yes me say enya mo anu na obaba boa wo de onu ba be ebe like ebe perfume nche eno na ye the motive
di ono no be perfume nche asin how say opeso no be ye bibi ana say den asin how because yes bebre no be producer papa omo interest in tia omo ba so be producer obi ho asiko be nya ho benefit obi nya ho obi so ho no ma ni self interest say bia ono obeda ana say asin say ono be call out
mostly
and men man on buy so be producer
mostly I had that experience oh and share nyame adom and ohu ye fa enye bone
okay
okay but eni nyina ya hwe yie
eti nipa dodo se na buy ya no on person mo ne woda
oh bebre mo ko hwe mo an nti me abemu buye
okay
na de me yakobi wo kon kancho so ono obeda but in that way mu no akoye se nkofo inherit amafo enemies obi wo wa wonye ne bone da bone artist bi eye adwuma artist ne mpa wasem na artist ne de wo ho tan de ahye ne mu nti nipa no ye industry pe wonye ne hwe me kai pa se mre bi me de nyum baye na I was in a different management via HM na manager no free one producer
different manager friend is saying
na of fresh oh me person me artist but yes bia na me obi e nim Ghana fo nim you recent Perpetual year amunim year am proud ya mutie menwom ya
okay
I'm like you know Inshanka Rade say Rade dey adu akire we industry no enti sa producer Mr. Ajiman me amade nyina
Ajingo
me amade nyina say den papa pem aso na yere omo nsi me form
okay
na yere Matilda on family nsi form
okay
na me Ajiman amene no Rainbow nda bi ofre me koi this time all Power FM na me de nyuma amba na me manager frɛ one of the producer or say on pene ma member
Jesus
o ma member Ajima show so me wa Ajima number oba man frɛ no me tie ade ne ye me tin hade na me pene ma mdo ya booki me pene ma no say okay me da ben na me artist number o say me na me ma kwan ama na ba show no so me say won ba Ajima show Ajima me papa Ajima me bra pani Ajima me amade nyina Ajima me won number me ametumi afrɛ no also on pene na sa nipa no me nye ne bone me de aye no but he one time told me so oh post me social media and gospel artists be friends I don't know who post Perpetual I don't know this person na me this person here like me ni bio but me dey kakra bi wo na masane ne kakra obra fatwa ho na me ni very good I feel you baby na manfo the way post me no mo nim say Perpetual ni sika I'm telling you, they know that Perpetual Didier no only sika only producer. It is how to me post Perpetual. Me was sika saying no. And they make me the music abe abeto. And na nipa no so nya kukudro ka kire me say. Sa nkofo 1 2 say I'm so na say me nyo mo show which me your mo de we your mo de na why me de also Martin. And since that time guy na after the meeting no so I was so surprised say this same guy said that thing say oh mommy bag I didn't hear me friend penny for 1 2 be the two mo say eh asum see ade why me nti ase na de we ahye me nkuran say me yire me ho na ma twen awrade anim na me pemu na o ma bibi kakra kuta me nsam a aba bonti because me person me ba bonti me ni aye me yase say me ni binti obi di sika ba be twintwa amanim
enti na wo susu se
sa de ndem re mfida
okay enti na wo susu se hwan na ehyehyɛ atiri na na sa na ekoso
me de ho de me ni evidence
okay
me ni evidence enti no me ntumi ka say go anase go but bibia ekoso
okay every be yet say na producer bi ebeso mu ana o produce you but you say na oye obi ekunu na woni no ehyehyɛ ho na woni ne twempna emu odin ema ekofa nsem bebre edi baaye eno ne ho asem no
omo bisa asem ne yiye bisa asem ne yiye na
yes producer bi ana o produce you na wo yere ena obeso mu se o produce you a manage you ye hu ya ne se ana yete ya ne se woni ne call out mo twempene modin eno no wadaroma no kwasema ewum de because Angel TV de nim say ekwa akire it's say yenya mu nchiremu ye
sis na me share so we bisa me sa asem we bisa me mama mpanifo bi omodo me yie pa support me ministries they call me oh yeti way TikTok nkofo bi di watem mo say aw
na say yampa
oh matete bi matete sa sensem ne bi but oh say ade ya na say social media sisi eba wiase no abesesa nokre social media abedane nokre ama nokre ni animonyam biem tro na ewa animonyam obetumi bo ni trim na wahyehyɛ asampa hu na hyin na wahyehyɛ asam wo followers nti wo abeka asam ya obi kura tumi kwɔhyɛ bloggers bi achi sɛ mun kase because omunim sɛ we are brand de o kasa bebira eya na ebuo kura ni wo ho brand o kasa bebira asam bia na obeyi ya no eya na obuo kura ni wo ho enti omunim sɛ wo me kasa ke no mu kasa me ya go so twantro asama me kan konkron di mu sɛ minua gospel artist bi ani ho a makɔgye ni kunu amene na atwempena da konkron hata shiro ni me da asefo
asama wo kan wani ase atata
sese sister sasa me ya me shede mu hwe bompaye pa achemota forest me bompaye te sama boda me na ma me kasa na me bompaye erade wa so one friend say begu ani mu ase den na ba bi sui asa me ni mu hwe me se de na ma kire nipa ni ote na anti ni ye yo ka so anka ni ye we be kwa kire we na we akwa kire we na yes me din ko erade me so me innocent I know nothing about this story. Listen, I was there and this gentleman called me some time ago. Said, mommy, my show we free chire. We are this wunya obi manager only meduma na show bet me the abo.
Gentleman, your friend is saying.
The person you are talking, you don't want to mention the name, so that's why I don't want to mention the name. And me boa na me say na so no. Won sem bebre. Anokwasem. Ma te wo ne me nua bai ma ware sem bebre social media. So I don't want to be your next artist. So that chana ye de mun sem be de e be for Ghana for dem mun nche. So make hon konkon me da asefo. Abrante catch me so maame. Me ni me yiri jaware 5 years ago. Ya jaware dada. Na me so medjuma me ye ni management no. Me yiri so nedjuma oye eye nwom toyi. Nti mi jaware no me yiri gusu bo ne nwom. Okay. Ti mi so mi ndidi ana. Me so mi tumi nkoba ko homa ma me ma.
Okay.
I was me so me ye be ma. Me so ma enwensa.
Okay.
Me ye djuma enye family bi ne ye ba ba ya na bibi bema papa na ka asem no eto makoma so but still na I was hesitating but ade ka makoma ema in fact me pene ye ne ye adwuma na say me nua ne wu ye no asem to me no he was there he called me all the time chiche me wire ye say police for no mu kasa ye say tobo men kasa men on me pressure no because na me fa phone na me tiri abom se ne se kum me nua me hu na me bodam enti me fa phone na me pese me kaza now I was losing myself. So this gentleman came in and consoled me at the right time. On any fiance that time.
Okay.
Ne fiance.
It's not just say that man na on any rentamaye basa na obe manage you no. Abra obaye no. Na
owo bi ukra si ukra one ete
an one ne ba wo ho. Start adwuma ni nyina na wonni.
On ne yire no krampo na. Ne yire no kwa na onu bibi nso a very private person ti me mbo ne dinda. But on me don pa ba bia magina bia metu chama because ono so aboa me or the sika support.
Okay.
They were there for me when asam told me. Industry, you know, be amba me.
Wow. Is it because say
that time comes and na wo Germany.
Okay, so
obi amba me ono ne fiance no e na ba me. Say ah, ene nsem aye keka fa abranti ho e bia na entesa. Obi no obi nya personal issue between them. Na amafo take size sometimes no good. E bia na way asem wo nso asem den ewom. Enti adenti na yire so ye na adwuma na ono so na adwuma ne adenti me mpre na me ne papa nya. The Holy Spirit is my witness. Bible say ye be bonetia Yesu Kristo ye de be che yen oba ade ne ye de be che ne ho nkonkron de ye fa nche ye. Ti me ka asem na ka se ho nkonkron na me ka no kratro do firi me kram.
Wow.
Minim say me try and try heaven me nkobi.
Okay.
Who can kind Revelation 19:11 Apostle John said, and I saw the heaven opened. That means that heaven no ya tum eya san so ebie. It is a me kasam na me de ho konkron e de ye me das ni na say entra o shuru be katama me ti me ka no kra fu me kra mu say abrantie no na ono so hia so be ya adwuma ono so na adwuma o ye ne say o ye manager o ye sound engineer enti me te ase na me say a business
or your sound engineer
or your
nyum ma gospel for nko
yes gospel
and so gospel nko
gospel
and so your nyum ma ni nyina gospel nko eti unyum bi e bae no ono ye
oh yes
die enyum de hia
den come me born no enzema de me to enzema nko
okay
atemase enti no brai aba with a good intention adentina
but one so peda.
David, no, he was with them.
Yeah, but your producers need be one my apostle.
No.
Or no banity, but then a ban is I'm on top at tea because I'm good. Yes, problem be any one more. I mean, I would name me fiancé, Mokoba. I think said that time when we did boom, boom. As a family, a ban is saying all of a sudden no. Muntem etimite because yet yes muntem oteya eye gidi up to now and me ne wo ka say yes someone kasa yes up to now
yeah na ake
but yes up to now reverend you okay
oh say obi wo hono mo a eye Jenny abrabo na ye Jenny o
okay
ye tu kwan no
okay
ye ju ba bia ye be rest na ya to transit
okay
and you know that kind of say time na me na need somebody like him but adwuma no so ye the investment na ye de
okay
na ne fiance na no ne wo ho no in fact she no enye sika kase to say oh say like oh yeah na dream say obebu na from there but the money that we need because the money that we needed to do that rebranding
okay
it na enye small money enti eju baby na around 10 afi de sika sam no na ewe me so kapre say me na ma bo from because of asam to me enti na kapre kra me sika sam na me da form
started DVL ejuma
na me started DVL enti na me sika sam da form pacho what am say enti no in fact me who say how me ha
wana
me ha no because eju baby yes eju baby o ka say me ankasa me fa me sika nto aso na me say
wa apu say wa pa ba
bi ntia de ebe ya o de yen fancy say na be ya pressure na dem cause because now he wanted to do rebranding or person wants to say me din all these things no it takes money
okay
enti o ka say me nto aso na me nyen because na ho den asa no me so Perpetual Didier na won na pagya me ko I want me old customers or from me program near them. The new name
because the whole Ghana
no Perpetual Didier or my rebranding. I'm being honest with you.
Okay.
So rebranding, no, the name, my native name Aya. No, Obianim. So we need money to invest in. And you need to do a lot of things.
Okay.
And you can say, this is not pim. The Perpetual so baby na who is me come nim na Perpetual Didier ho no. E ho no na just agina wi ho kokora ma na agina wi enti na I push me and they continue me bibi me attract to my obaye. Me bibi kakra bi mpa na nyakoma ma na ye kese e Perpetual Didier nim. But I no obi anim ti no afa ne e basa na wo sanse me amenye sisi a. Na me kofa wode no enti ka so de ye me bo ho pa enti me bo ho pa ye no nyam konkon e direct me say no I should still go with the name now the man. But no so say Perpetual Didier say ho no de no to me enye bibia for because honestly now he has given up on money 70. Me so my who de nimu e wo Perpetual Didier so I have to go with Perpetual Didier. I told him amicably.
Perpetual.
And I tell you ho ase.
Yeah. Say one is her former manager no montem et say.
Ye ni issue bia.
Ye say your friend me patcho montem et say.
Oh, ye ni issue.
One is sound engineer na na yere eye gospel musician no. Na yere eye superstar. To say wa. One bra no montem et say.
Ye ntem ye boko.
When was the last time only brand makasaye e wo fon so?
Nana. Men kai ba yetem ye.
Perfect. Enkomo be na ukodi ye. Abra no. O producer no, manager no, o te ya ne anje ho. Woni wontem ye basa.
Enkomo ben.
Okay.
Enkomo bi ani ho.
Okay.
I don't know na ka bibisa na. It will be a new thing in my ears.
It's alleged.
No. Some allergy be wo no mo. I find it out.
No, before say
because I'm allergy be wo no ma. No, you trying to show.
No, you person show to say before so by interview no. Nah, of course. We can't just come and sit down stand here baba you know my yin
that bibi ani ho
e bia na nkan ni say the won say ye dey asofodie atade na hyew etiniye ma bebiri asesa the site say woni asofo bebiri akọ out ye say asofo no ebinom ebetu omani esi wo so eti asofo ne de ye say woni bebiri nya encounter just say me brofo no me pese na nya agudi ye say na ehuri si ha na wo ehuri si ha na wo tu si ha na wo nam ha
for
real ye say na nya agudi
se me
ma woni bi kura yire ekokobo crash
oh konkro jamio wow ake Ghana for da ben
no say be so clear
mesro nyame hon konkro na me dasefo bibi sense maka hon konkro wo bibi sense mesre mo se me yo bia na manage sa na ma no ho ka me ko me ka matitim ka meteso because approach be bresa ba me so but I never gave in enuntina Perpetual Didier be say me peja me kwa na misika sam na ahode because dia me dey kono ye gift na nya me dey ama me raw gift me ni back in dia because me dey ma ho ode akoye bibi ama aboa me nti no